Security was a very important factor when we looked at building our new home here. We'd come from a very secure home, and knowing that I was safe and secure, and that feeling was very important to me. We wanted a product that would suit our custom home and something where we wouldn't have to make compromises with the rails in the middle of the screens, and colour matching and quality. Those things were important to us.
We work closely with the builder and the client to come up with a solution for both their needs. We need to provide a high quality security screen product not only met the requirements of the National Construction Code, but also provided the highest level of security and complemented the home with an exceptionally high quality installation. The difference between a good looking screen and a great looking screen comes down to the installation. That's why we love Prowler Proof's hidden installation technology. Provide an exceptionally high quality installation. All sliding doors have Performance Plus striker plates, developed in partnership with Abloy. They strengthen the sliding door strikes, providing an extra resistance to jimmy attacks. All sliding doors also have concealed interlocks, creating a seamless look with no visible fixings, making them more tamper resistant as well. The alfresco stacking sliding doors in the heart of the home are their standout feature. The customer requested an unobstructed view to their backyard. Prowler Proof were able to manufacture the doors that were over 1800 wide by 2600 high without a mid-rail, which is one of the client's requirements. The home has many beautiful louvered windows to allow maximum airflow. However, the blades extended past the external frame of the window, which meant the standard face-fit security screen would restrict the operation of these louvers. We had Prowler Proof manufacture some welded insect frames, which we then used as packers for the louvered windows. By doing this meant we were able to pack the windows forward enough to allow the full operation of the louver blades. The customer was over the moon with the end result of this project. We were able to provide the highest level of security whilst complementing her beautiful home.
Very happy with Prowler Proof, with Beck and Adam's consultations with us, and how they were able to supply the exact product that we wanted for our custom build.